Hello, good morning everyone. I hope you are doing good. Welcome to the new video. Today we are going to see some beautiful heavy bikes and you will love them. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are watching the video, please like the video and do not forget to subscribe my channel. It helped me to make more videos. These heavy bike designs are very beautiful. The heavy bikes are very stunning. The black and white heavy bike are very beautiful and amazing. The rider bike are very so nice. Black color bike are very amazing and beautiful. Black color heavy bike are very awesome. The pink and white color heavy bike are very amazing. Black color heavy bike are very nice and awesome. Red color heavy bike are very beautiful. Black color bike are very amazing and beautiful. The bike are very awesome and beautiful. Heavy bike are very awesome and stunning. The bikes are very beautiful and cute. If you are watching the video, please like the video and do not forget to subscribe my channel. It helped me to more make videos. The heavy bikes are very amazing and awesome. The heavy bikes are very beautiful and stunning. The heavy bike engine are very beautiful. The heavy bike are very amazing and beautiful. The future car bike are very beautiful. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching my video. Please like the video and subscribe to channel. Also tell me in comments which type of more videos you want. That it for today. I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.